So today, I'm going to show you how to draw anime doodle like a pro. First, let's come up with the cool idea by searching epic characters for the inspiration. I already got a cool idea, so now let's start sketching. To do this, I will be using pencil, eraser, and of course my sketchbook. To sketch, I always start first with the proportion by sketching basic shape. Now let's do the epic detailed sketch.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart.
Finally, sketch done.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart.
I will be using Unipin fine liner pen for an epic result. Now let's start inking.
Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care.
Just take your time while you are inking because this is going to be permanent and for sure you don't want your drawing to mess up.
You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Just gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains.
I'm going to do some finishing inking touch by adding thick lines on some details of this drawing.
27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my...
Finally, inking is done. Just give a minute for the ink to dry. Then after, you can start erasing the pencil sketch. So this is the difference between thin lines and thick lines. Now we can start coloring. I will start first coloring the dragon doodle by using all the blue colors that I have. always remember to try first the marker to the scratch paper to make sure that you are using the right color that you want. And I always do color layering by using 3 or more sheets of colors per detail or per section. Coloring will take time, so let's listen to music and keep coloring.
Gun finna jump for this shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize it. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it. I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose leaf, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth, me get bed with the writing. Love at first sight shit, art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, could they kick it? I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they wouldn't find behind it. Why there's visions behind the eyelid? Tell a reckless with the clauses. Careful with it cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print.
Finally, the dragon is done, so now let's proceed coloring Tanjiro.
This in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. The beginning of the candle. Doing shits to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón is on my sleeve shoulder.
Just apply all the things that I said previously, and for sure the result will going to be epic.
Couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah, everything, yeah. Everything, yeah, everything, yeah. I got my eyes low with the sky flows, where the rhyme floats, I don't really know. Just what we might go with the mind scope. So many things I never learned with my eyes closed. Too busy with the schemes, on the telling of my dreams. On the rail, bitch, I grind like my life.
I'm already done with this drawing, and of course, don't forget to add your signature. So enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
And don't say a word. Know the price cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, no, no.